So just a real quick video down here. First off, I have a drawer out of the kitchen over there. Got it all clamped back together, trying to glue it back together. The front was coming off of it. I don't know what was going on there, but got Jessie over here. You're hearing something, aren't you, girl? Where are they at? Where are they up there? Where are they at? Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him, Jess! Get him, Jess! She's not a pit bull. She's a plot hound, and they'll bark like that, and then they'll start howling. She likes to stretch when she doesn't know what else to do. Get him, Jess! Where are they? Where are they? Well, there's Bud. Get him, Jess! Yep, kind of like that. But a lot of times she'll do a lot more than that. Guys, I'm just down here in the shop tonight. I came down, I fixed this drawer for up in the house. The front was coming off of it, so gluing that back together, I think it's going to be good tomorrow. What do you think, Jess? Get him! Get him! I know some people hate these videos. Anyway, working on this door, I have tried jumping the yellow and the red like people have said, and that's what I thought it needed to be. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to cut the plastic out, get down to the motor, jump that, and see if we got anything going on in there. I hate to cut this plastic because it's really solid, all intact. Trying to make a video for you guys. I have enough footage for almost a full video, but I want to show how I prep these doors for primer. But 1990 door with the factory plastic still firmly intact. I hate to cut that, but I need to get back to the window motor. I was actually thinking the window motor was I think the door lock motor, which is way down in here, and those are a real pain to get to you. I can't, my hands aren't small and I can't really get down in there to get to it very good, but the window motor, those aren't bad to get to. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up cutting this plastic and just jumping the motor direct and see if we can get it to work. If not, the motor's shot. Somebody commented just go to Advance Auto and get a lifetime warranty motor, but the window motors that are, well, I can't show it through here, but the window motors that are in that truck, they're good, so I could just swap them out. So that's my next step. Right now I gotta go up to the house. Jody's up in the house making, what are we having tonight? We're just having burgers. I think burgers and fries or something like that. And it's about time for me to go up to the house. It's like 6:30 or something like that. But as far as the weather goes, not a whole lot going on tonight. Bill, you comment on all my videos, and it looks like you guys are having some major snow out your direction. So you're welcome. I sent it your direction. But anyway, that's what I gotta do. Is I have to cut that plastic out and get down to that motor and try to jump it direct and see what's going on. Right, Jess? Get him. Go get him. Where are they at? Go get him. I know. Anyway, I'm gonna take Jessie and Buddy's over here. He doesn't care. We're gonna go up the house. We're gonna eat and watch some TV or YouTube or play some Xbox or something and just go to bed. Right, Bud? All right. Anyway, guys, that is what's going on down here at the Fox shop tonight. I know these short little videos, I just don't have a full one put out for you yet. It just not working out. So you want outside, don't you? All right, hold on. All right, go get him. Mama Kitty snuck in here. I fed you guys already. Anyway, guys, that's what's going on. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.